This loser is doing the walk of shame because he wanted to forget his damn motherfucking chapstick in the car.
I need some Vaseline.
No chapstick. No Vaseline. Is dead. And he said, unlock it, please, sir. Unlock the car, sir.
He said it was unlocked. We're in the wild. We gotta go to Meow Wolf. Did you?
Oh, hold on.
Oh,
Hold on. I gotta put some stuff back in the car. I completely forgot I had it on me.
Look at him go, forgetting his shit.
Fucking dumbass.
Back to the goddamn car.
In his goddamn bag. He wasn't supposed to have in that vape. Not allowed in this motherfucker.
What up, y'all? I'm DN. We're in the wild today. We're in Denver for Meow Wolf, an interactive art exhibit. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I came mile high, and I'm only one of those two things right now. I'm gonna see how long I can survive in this shit, because I'm about to get tripped out.
So I'll be taking you now to C Street. That is the trash district of the planet Immensity. One of the 4 planets that converged. We all remember what happened in 1994 on that weird live episode of Price is Right, don't we? It was weird. So yeah, have some fun out there, interact with the characters you meet, just do so at a safe and respectful distance. You can take all the photos that you want. All we ask in return is you leave every memory you've ever had behind with us.
Say it again, say it to my fucking face.
Welcome to C Street.
Alright, we're gonna play this like Alice in Wonderland. Just open the door. Is it a push or a pull? It's a slide. Oh,
Not for us.
every entrance is an exit, right?
Pretty much. Every exit is an entrance.
Yeah.
Hey, rockin' on the different beat, moving with some different heat. They go through the read, we been riding in some different streets. Truth be told, it's never sweet. Truth be told, I wanna be. Truth be told, I just keep on rhyming in some different streets, different heats, on a different kind of movement. We been out here choosing, we been out here moving like it's 1972. What you do?
There's some crazy shit. Cassette player. Oh shit. Oh, that's radios. Look at this shit. Do you want demons? Cause this is how you get demons. Yeah, I'm out here. Nope. Here we have the ancient wild jungle cat, now known as a common house pet. A mere short hair to us. And here we have.
But look, if you look over here, this guy's putting the spirits of that on the top side.
Oh, so it's a spear chucker room.
I think so.
Damn. Oh, it's a snake chucker. Oh, it is snakes. My bad.
You know this snake is trained too, because like he's strictly in our time. He's like I said,
Don't be senpai. What is happening over here?
I don't know.
Oh, I thought it was 2X fucking bro. It's just a goddamn. What is that? Is that a caveman fleshlight? Oh my god. Yeah. I don't know. Nah, that's creepy. That's weird. Nah, I'll go in there, but that's weird. I don't fuck with that. It's amoebas. We're about to get fucking sucked.
Okay, where we going? Which door? Left or right?
In the movies, when you go right, you die. Damn, we definitely dying. Yeah, see flowers. This is where you come to die. Yo, did y'all ever see Alice in Borderlands?
hell yeah.
Bro, that's what this place reminds me of. Exactly. We gotta figure our way out of here. Somebody got to die. Oh, where the turtles at? Where the turtles at? Yo, where's Master Splinter? I wanna learn the moves. Yo, something jumped at you while you was looking into these?
Right.
That'd be fucked up. That Master Chief?
Kilimanjaro.
Here, there's a strobe light in
If
here.
you got seizures, do not watch this part. I seen this in the music video. Every door is like a potential Narnia.
Oh god, yeah.
Look at Black Spider-Man over here.
Spider-Man does whatever a spider can. Spins a web any size.
Nah, I'm not doing that. I was gonna ninja roll all the way in there. But if I roll the wrong way, I get stuck. Nah, that's a GG's, bro. I can never come back. Oh no, this is fire. Wait, there's mad levels to this. Oh yeah, up the stairs still goes around. Now let's go. Oh, sorry. No, let's go. No, upstairs still goes around. It's a loop. It's a loop. Look at all this. Created by someone's imagination. Fucking wild. Everybody just gang gang. Yo, look up. True. This room looks lit. Come look at this shit. Hit with the hip hop angles, nigga. Hit with the left right tilt. 45, 45. Alright, let's get the fuck out of here. Oh, you can't go inside the cell?
You can go inside the cell.
Yo, the mitochondria is a powerhouse of the cell. That's the fucking mitochondria. I know it. This is
nucleus is the
myophils. That's the nucleus.
Oh,
shit. See what I'm saying? That's cause Real getting domed by the roof. Getting tall nigga problems. It couldn't be me. Get the king on his throne. Bro, you see this shit right here? This is fucked. This is like a bunch of half-cut dicks. Does it not? Look at that shit. Is it here? Oh, more Alice in Borderlands. Wait, is this the door? I'm gonna open this door. We're gonna die. Are these ears or faces?
they're faces.
They are faces. Wait, are we in a red blood? Are we in a vein or artery? Looking out?
Maybe.
And these are like red blood cells and shit. Wait, were we here? Did we go down?
Nah, we went around.
Oh, we
Circle
did.
back.
Okay, yeah, now we go back down. Past a demon horse. Or that's not a demon horse, it's just demon, bro. I don't fucking like demons. Keep them at my plate. Oh, this is the backside of the bus.
Private security. Oh, this is the backside of the bus.
Yep.
Look, I'm back in my native land, home of trash. Oh, we can get on? Look at this. All these years later, we still roads parking it. Ugh. Wait, are we not supposed to be back here? Go figure the one time we're not supposed to be in the back of the bus. Sir, this is for staff only. It's like, wow.
Oh, sorry.
Well, damn. See my way out. Caught it. Yo. I had to stick that. That was almost bad. Oh, this is back here. Whoa. How did we get around?
There's a whole kitchen back here.
He said there's a whole kitchen back here, bro.
Got some dishwasher, TV so you can watch your Saturday morning cartoon.
Oh, we walking through the fridge? And an ice box where my heart
It ain't cold.
is.
It ain't cold.
No, I'm not going in there. It's not cold.
Bad meat.
The spiral staircase to hell. I just know we gas out at some point. I'm holding up the line. My bad. Oh shit, what the fuck? This is hilariously creepy for no reason. Oh.
Oh, nigga, them eyeballs?
Yeah, bro.
Oh shit. Oh, he's gonna fuck out of here. They got shoe heads on top. What you got? Are these all QR codes?
They're all different QR codes.
How do I get my QR code on this bitch? Like, what? Darkness wins.
Artificial creativity.
Demon licking your toes. No. You see, I told you. That's how you get demons. That's bullshit. Demons Licking Your Toes, an early 20th century manuscript from Isfahan. Nah, fam, I'm clocking out. From a PhD candidate? Nah. You know these Demons Licking Your Toes? That's crazy.
I got some element like about learning.
I think it'd be science.
I got science.
Alright, I'm gonna do one more. I'm doing this one. Next one is the botanical artist who translate plant science into beautiful art. I don't know what that means. Is this what? Oh no, that's what a body's at. Oh damn. Yo, this lighting is crazy.
Bruh.
Are we getting mini-fied? We're gonna get mini-fied. Oh, that's Steve. This is a creepy version of Chuck E. Cheese. And Chuck E. Cheese is already creepy as shit.
I like Five Nights at Freddy's.
We don't talk about Freddy. Oh shit. Nah, this is the spot. Nah, this might be our favorite room so far. It's real psychedelic. I like how they add the eerie noise too, just to really fuck you up. To the next door! Oh my god, oh shit. When you look away from it, holy shit. So many doors, so many possibilities. Oh, it's so serene in here. Where's the robes at? This room's weird. It's freaky, bro. I came in here, but I recognize this lady from something. I think that's what? Is Patrick's crib under the rock?
Hey, I don't know, bro, but I thought I walked into an escape room and I wasn't ready.
Bro, have you done one? Yo, we did one. We lost, bro. I was so mad.
It's 9:13. They close at 10.
Oh, okay. Let's hit this next one over and then let's go. I guess we're speed running the rest.
Oh my god, I love it in here.
Is there a door in here or something? No?
Nah, ain't nothing in here. Just some Major mask, a couple vampire masks, fucking Dio's mask in this bitch. Give me a hip hop bangles. Drop something for me. Meow, meow, wolf, nigga, got the pussy on lock. Drip, drop, yeah, nigga, that's my wet fucking socks. Yeah, coming through, homies hitting the fucking rocks. Yeah, nah, like the hard drugs though. Hey, talking about kicking him in Colorado. Got him on the mountain top, looking real high rado. What you know about the road to the Rado? I dropped it. Disney, don't get me. Yeah, this is what I've been waiting to see for real. Cause this shit look cool as fuck. It's like Alien Predator shit. Alien Isolation. When Master Chief done dropped. Nah, this king shit. You got your good ass camera? It's a little goat. The definition of Lil Wayne.
Well, you know, it's a goat.
Oh, it's a demon child. Damn. A toe-licking demon.
That's a good time.
Yeah, feel me. Oh. Alright, y'all, that was Meow Wolf with the fam. Shit was psychedelic, shit was crazy. There was nightmare fuel, there was dope exhibits, there was so many fucking locked doors. Nasty missed the whole time. Usually it's NDM, nasty don't miss, but I was missing. This man here though, Mr. Doormaster, opened up all the goddamn doors. Opportunity was not gonna stop pimping me. I was getting bodied by that shit. My ass would've been stuck like on some sauce shit. I'd have to cut my leg off like Shaq. Or Dr. Phil? Who did it? Which one of them?
Like Destiny Child and them? I'm a survivor.
This nigga. All right, y'all, I'm doing the wild here with the family with Jokers. We out.
You nasty.